Welcome back guys to GTS Garage. Today we're going to do a little bit of a midweek special. We're going to fit some engine bars to the bike. Now I ended up buying these engine bars off an old XJ600 about 3 months after I actually bought the bike, and I wasn't quite sure whether I was going to put them on or not bother. But I had them powder coated just in case, and do you know what, they actually look alright. They came out quite well. So what I'm going to do is kind of just to give the body some kind of width, because it's quite a slim bike, the XJ600. To give it some width, I'm going to put the engine bars on. Now I don't think that's going to add all the width that I want, but so I'm probably going to end up doing a little bit of something to those bars as the bike progresses. But for now we're going to crack on and get the bars on. Okay, so it's an M10 bolt, but it is very short. I was hoping it was going to be a bit longer than that. First issue with the engine bars, and that is I've taken the bolt out of the frame to fit them, and that is the bolt that's come out. So whilst it is complete, it's only probably a 15 or 20 mil bolt, so it's not going to be long enough to go through the engine bar, the bracket, and then into the frame. So I need something a little bit longer. So let's go to the toolbox. And I don't have a lot of fasteners, but let's go to the toolbox and see if I can find something a little bit bigger than that. Okay, I have found an M10, which is going to roughly be the right, but it's going to be a bit too long. So let me just see how much I need to cut off. So that is now that part of the engine guard and this part of the engine guard done. We just need to put a bolt in the top, and that secures it. Let's crack on. Okay, as you can see, I've just bolted that up loosely. I've not put that up, and I'm going to change that bolt to something a little bit better. I think that's a nylock. Can you see in there? Probably not. There's not probably enough light in there. There you go, you can just about see. Okay guys, that's it. The engine bars are now on the bike. They look quite good. I like the way they look. They kind of add that width as I was talking about, and there is plenty of things that I can do with those further on down the line. This weekend, because plans have changed, I won't be in Yorkshire this weekend. I thought I was, but I am not. So I'm going to be here, and the idea is to break up the front end. So this is very box-like, as we know. Wasn't overly keen on that front part, but I have an idea, and I've ordered the parts to kind of make that happen. This Saturday, this weekend, is going to be fairly busy. I will record it and I shall put it up. I'm hoping it'll be up by Monday. Let's say by Monday. If I'm lucky, it'll be up by Sunday evening. Otherwise, it'll be up by Monday. You take it easy, ride safe, look after yourselves, and I'll catch you later.